Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
Wow, guys, we saw these last year, all right, but they come with different versions of it. Look at this one. It's more like a cell phone version. This one has a one control here. The Atom 2. They're really light base. Let's take a look at actual product running right now. Which drone is this that's running right now? Oh. How long does the battery last on this one? 32 minutes on this one. Distance on it? Around,
Distance?
Yeah.
10 kilometers.
10,
you can fly.
And speed on it? Do you know the speed?
Speed 16 kilometers.
16 kilometers on this one. Not bad. Do you have a price for it?
Yes, for the original standard one is $299 with one battery, and with 3 battery is $399.
It's not bad. It's cheap, really cheap. It's good. I like it. Now, I was gonna ask you, does it have sensors on the bottom and the top, and or avoidance, or AI and
No
avoidance?
avoidance.
No avoidance yet. But that's what the propeller covers are there for.
Yeah.
I like it. Thanks.